if you've seen my other video, you know that my flush trim saw is a little lacking in integrity here. So I broke down and bought a new one, and I went with this Suizan flush trim saw, and so far I haven't used it yet, but so far it appears to be very well made. Came packaged in this plastic sleeve and securely packaged in a box. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice. Make sure I have that right side up. And it's two-sided, which is really convenient. They have a hardwood and a softwood blade, so it looks very well made. I'm excited to try it out. So I'll have a further review once I try it out and let you know what I think. But first appearance, it looks pretty nice. And it came with a sticker, so you know it's awesome if it comes with a sticker. Just kidding. So looking forward to trying it out. All right, for the first test, I thought we'd just try it on a nice piece of maple. We use the hardwood side just to see how it cuts. Yeah, very nice. Obviously that was not a cutting something flush, but I just wanted to see how well it cut, and I'll tell you what, it cuts really well, just like I would expect. All right, we'll cut a little piece of softwood. This is just cedar, which I would fully expect it to have no problems with. It's such a small piece also, but there you go. Nice little saw. I guess the one improvement I would ask for, and it's a minor thing, I can do it myself, but would be just a hole up here for hanging purposes. But like I said, I can drill out myself. Not a big thing. Definitely doesn't affect the quality of the saw, and it does come with, you know, plastic holder that you can, you know, obviously hold it. Now I'll probably just store it in this just to keep it safe and from getting banged up. But nice saw. I'm impressed.